Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Target beauty box unboxing for the month of February. I actually just filmed a video, but I didn't want to wear the same thing in the video, so I just threw on my little jacket here. So yeah, Target beauty box. It's only $7. It's totally worth it. I will link my other Target beauty box unboxings below. This is the box of this month. Super cute. Oh, I didn't even notice the little hearts. Cute. I gotta remember to use this $3 off coupon. I get it every month and I never freaking use it. But yeah, you get a coupon for $3 off a beauty purchase of $15 or more. And I just always forget to use it. Okay, so this is, oh, I'm excited. This is what it looks like. All right, I'll start off with the thing I'm excited about. So this is from my brand that I'm obsessed with. And I really need to like be an ambassador for them because I always friggin' talk about this brand. But this is Love Beauty and Planet. This is the Citrus Peel Radical Refresher Uplifting Dry Shampoo. Super excited about this. I have not tried any of their dry shampoos yet. So yeah, I'm super excited. I want to smell it. Oh my gosh. That smells amazing. I just washed my hair last night, so I don't really need dry shampoo right now, but this smells amazing. We have the Dove Derma Care Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I'm not really a fan of 2-in-1 things, and I don't have dandruff, so I probably will not use this. So we got another shampoo and conditioner. This is from Nexus. This is the Color Assure shampoo and conditioner. So that's what those look like. Let's smell it. That smells really, really good. Something from Pantene. This is the Air Spray. Alcohol-free hairspray. Woo! There's a lot of hair care products in this box. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. We have native deodorant, a little like travel size. This is coconut and vanilla. I've never tried native deodorant. Oh, that smells really good. I use the Love Beauty and Planet deodorant, but I'm definitely gonna use this. This is so cute. The number 7 Laboratories Line Correcting Booster Serum. Little tiny guy. The last thing in the box is from K-Bella Professional. This is the Selfie Ready Makeup Priming Sheet Mask. I've never heard of a priming sheet mask. That's interesting. Prep your skin for makeup application with our priming sheet mask. Instead of using a primer, use a friggin' mask. Interesting. I'm excited to try this. So that is everything in the box. I totally think this box was worth $7. I'm excited to try this sheet mask, this serum. You know, I'll give it a shot, but this is probably like 2 uses maybe. I'm super excited for this deodorant. It's really cute. I will try out the hairspray. I rarely use hairspray, but I am going to a wedding in May and I might need hairspray for the wedding. This shampoo I'll probably just give away because I don't have dandruff and I don't like 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioners. I'm so excited for this dry shampoo and then this shampoo and conditioner. Really excited to try. So yeah, I think this box was totally worth it. Again, it's only $7. If you're interested in it, I will have a link down below. Make sure you get it soon though because they do sell out. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.